Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. You need to start by locating and accessing Clock app. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it if it's not already on. Finally, tap on this plus icon to add your alarm and set up an hour. In order to save it, select OK. Now tap on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you want to. In my case, work. To save your label, choose OK. Now pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Then you can click on this bell icon over here and tap on one of those sources. If you want to, you can tap on YouTube Music and log in to your account. You can also tap on Sounds instead. Click on Add New under Your Sounds and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song that you wish to apply. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those. For example, buzzer. In order to do that, I need to click on it and go back. Now you can add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine by clicking on this little icon next to it. You can also enable or disable vibrations by tapping on this one next to vibrate. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same one. In order to delete your alarm though, select Delete icon at the bottom left corner of it. Lastly, adjust even more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, choosing Settings, and managing all of them under Alarms, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!